Good afternoon, Durham. I'm Jenkins, Director of the Durham County Department of Public Health. This week, we launched our N95 mass distribution in the community, and we welcomed 2 new COVID-19 testing sites to Durham. We've also started to finally see decreases in our case numbers. Today, I will address these topics. On Tuesday, we began our free N95 mass distribution. These masks were available at Durham County libraries and our OptumServe testing sites. They were also made available for businesses and organizations to order and distribute. These masks were a critical need in our community, and we are thrilled that you all took advantage of this opportunity. More than 100,000 N95s have been given to the community at our libraries and testing sites or ordered by businesses and organizations this week. These masks will go a long way to help us continue to slow our case numbers, and we are so glad we've been able to give them to you all. Unfortunately, all of our available supply of masks has been accounted for, so we have had to pause our distribution through libraries, and we cannot accept any more orders from businesses or organizations at this time. There may still be supplies available at select testing sites, but remember that supply is limited and demand is high, so supply can change quickly. We hope to begin supplying masks again soon if we are able to receive additional shipments, so stay tuned for further updates. Since I last addressed you, we have welcomed 2 new testing sites to Durham. Thanks to testing provider Curative, COVID-19 testing is now available at the Durham Technical Community College and the Durham Performing Arts Center. Tests at these locations are free and no insurance is needed. Appointments are encouraged but not required. To learn more about these testing locations and schedule an appointment, visit curative.com shown on the screen. Please note, these sites are not run by our partners at OptumServe, and N95s will not be available at these locations at this time, but we are excited to welcome them to Durham to help expand testing options for the community. Finally, I'm glad to be able to bring good news about our positive cases as we are finally seeing decreases in our case numbers. Omicron is still the dominant variant of COVID in our community, and our case numbers are still much higher than they were before the variant arrived. But we have seen large decreases in cases in the past few weeks and are glad to finally be moving in the right direction. This is fantastic news following the highest numbers we've seen thus far. We want to thank you for all you've done to help us get past the surge. Please remember, it's important to do all we can to protect ourselves and each other. First and foremost, get vaccinated and boosted. These vaccines and boosters in particular are highly effective at protecting us from COVID. If you've only gotten your first and second dose or your 1 dose of J&J, come out to our clinic to get boosted as soon as possible. And make sure your kids take their shots as well. Kids 5 and up are eligible for their first and second doses, and kids 12 and up are eligible for boosters. These shots have been proven safe in children, but not enough of our kids in Durham have taken their shots. So please don't hesitate. Come out to our vaccination clinic opened Monday through Friday. Get vaccinated and boosted. Wear your well-fitting masks. Get tested at one of our many testing sites and continue to practice good hand hygiene and social distancing. We can keep our case numbers moving in the right direction. We can do this, Durham.